staffs counting the breath of sheep. The hills have seen too many winters pass, and night still teaches old men how to keep.
Glory folds the dark like sudden wing. Fear not, the silence has been pierced.
We smell the earth, the wool, the dust of years, heard jackals far off arguing with night. Nothing new ever comes to men like us. We guard what lives and wait for morning light.
A sign is given where none should be. The infinite rests where beasts draw breath.
The air grew heavy, brighter than the moon. Our knees gave way beneath the sudden weight. Heaven speaks to men whose names are one. Then maybe mercy does not calculate.
No room was found among the doors of men, so God took shelter in forgotten space.
We have slept in caves and doorless places too. We know the cold of being turned away. If God has learned the language of the poor, then this dark road may open into day.
Wrapped in cloth, unguarded, undefended, the ancient word has entered time.
We left the fire, trusted God with sheep. Let night keep watch the way it always has. Our bones remembered paths our fathers walked. We followed light across the broken grass.
Go now, the place is marked by breath and straw, by stillness deeper than the stars.
We saw the child where animals stood warm, a woman quiet, a man awake with care. The world held still the way it does at birth, as if all weight had learned to kneel there.
Peace descends where heaven touches ground. The night is crowned with flesh.
We spoke of it wherever dawn would take us, though words were thin and wonder stayed. Nothing seemed as small as it had been. Even the hills felt newly made.
Glory continues beyond hearing. What has begun will not depart.
While we were keeping watch by night, God came quietly into our sight.